All right, in this situation here, we have a pergola going on top of a second level deck. The posts are in line with each other, so they're out on the outside edge of the deck. We need to make sure that we transfer the weight of the pergola system all the way down. Probably the easiest way, if this is a new construction and you're building the deck also, would be to run this post on the lower level all the way to the top of the deck framing. Then you can mount the post on top, connecting it directly to this post. If this is an existing deck and it's framed as they standardly will, usually the post will end here at the bottom of this outside ledger, and there'll be a gap here where your post would sit like we had on the ground level deck. In that case, you would need to put blocking between the rafters to carry the weight of the pergola post that is on top, so that this post is supported all the way down.